I'm too drunk for this.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here tonight. I'm finishing up wiring on this front fender liner. Got to put my rear wheels back on yet. and finish cleaning up some wiring for the wheel lights. We are T-minus, basically 3 days till we leave for LTN. Till we leave for Mitchell, and then we're heading to LTN from there on Thursday morning. But yeah, I got a few stickers to put on the back window, and yeah, I don't know. She's pretty close. Just got to finish up some wiring and get it looking nice, and she'll be good to go. See if she just can't bring home her first trophy from this show. Never won anything with it yet, but you never know what can happen. Alrighty, we getting her ready for Jay. Oklahoma LTN tomorrow. We're heading down to Mitchell tonight. The rest of the way in the morning. Got my wheel lights wired up and my rock lights all wired up. Finally, this wheel liner's filthy. Need to give it a good bath. But we're getting shit. I bought Chip. We're getting the lug nuts put on this one. We just got this one finished up putting on, but she is coming together very nicely, I think. Yes, sir. Can't wait. Loaded down, about to head east. Got her hooked on to Colby's pickup, and we're about to head her out to Oklahoma. Gonna be a long trip, but it's gonna be worth it. Well, boys, we had to make a quick pit stop in Kansas City for Mitch for his wheel lights and rock lights. That was a shit show.
Yeah.
A little tight.
Trailer should not fit where we fit.
Armadillo, 1.
No,
Keith Hoffland, 0. What were you saying?
Besides that, though, I mean, the rest of the bumper looks fine.
Yeah, not too bad. We're just in some random parking lot, freaking in Jay, Oklahoma. Harp's hometown fresh. Freaking A. Mechanic. Trying to get this shit maneuvered. There's only one way in here. So tight. It's alright. Yeah, everybody says I should, so. Then just do your at. What? How's your form? You look beautiful. God damn, you guys are sexy under there. Yeah. Oh shit.
No, I have way too much dirt in my life.
Yes. Yeah.
But I'm right here.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
Fuck yeah,
Let's go. I'm here with Simo's Garage today.
What up?
What's up, bro?
What up?
What do you think of these shit boxes behind you?
You know, I think people could put a little more effort into their builds, but like,
I know, Sim.
I think
It's unreal.
that guy's axle might be the hardest axle here.
That thing is
Yep.
pretty
You get
thick
that
right
zoom
there.
in? Yeah. Thick.
Yeah, that thing's huge.
CZ Mod lighting. Yeah. We just gave him a sponsorship
Yeah, for real, bro.
or a shout out.
Little shout out.
Yeah.
Quick shout out. We got a lot of shit here.
Yeah,
Other
like I said,
eggs. Hell yeah.
a little more effort would,
Would go a long
go
way.
a long way.
It
A
would.
long way.
It would.
Yeah. People are still out here cleaning their dirty trucks, you
Unreal.
know. They literally brought
Unreal.
unpolished wheels. Bro, I got to talk to him about that. Yeah.
Amish daddy.
Hey, you alright?
Amish daddy.
You have two? You have two? I'm mic'd up.
Yeah, I have two.
Yeah. I'm trying to beat this thing, bro.
You got the
Yeah.
straight axle down here.
Yeah.
That's badass.
The dude's got game for sure.
got game.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think think I need to jump on that trend and go ahead and straight axle mine. Yeah,
Yes.
I got the dump truck, you know? Yeah, not like the dump truck you're thinking of. Yeah, dude. No. You probably know a lot of tire companies, eh?
Should you do a burnout or no? Burnout or two?
A couple, man.
We're here with Keith Hoffman, #1 photographer in the country.
Really?
Yeah. How's it smelling there? Does it smell pretty good?
Like black ice.
Black ice?
Ice,
Ice, baby. Oh, nice. Very nice. Out here getting judged. You're judging them. Over here, got Ernie over here.
No.
0.5 of Ernie. Oh shit, you can't do that sideways.
Do the comparison.
All right.
Okay, only one of these.
You claim this smells like maple syrup?
Only one of these smells like maple syrup,
All right.
bro. It's only the hundos.
Only hundos, huh? Sniff test.
It doesn't need to smell like maple syrup.
It doesn't?
It does.
It does? What the?
Smell it.
What the frick? You get up there, taters?
Yeah. Holy shit, bro.
You gonna get down?
She's under 5 feet, bro.
Woo!
Where are you gonna park at?
Right, I'm at BBK booth. Right now, I'm at my
Mitch, let her eat one.